Maybe let's try doing a new intro. What have I been doing? Like, okay, here we go? Something like that? Or no, I did it like, okay, here we go. But anyway, we have it. Drawing practice number 13 for drawing right and left. Another two-handed one, but to begin with, I do kind of like I suppose you could call it like a benchmark test. And for the record, my normal handwriting, my right-handed handwriting, is probably below average, pretty sloppy, kinda chicken scratch. It's been called that before, actually. Chicken scratch. So I figure eventually my left-handed handwriting might be able to get better than my normal right-handed handwriting with enough practice. But other than that, what do we have going on here? Squiggly lines, squiggly lines. Actually, they're more like chunky scribbles. And a pen in each hand. I think it looks like red in the left and blue in the right. And the way it ends up looking, it kind of looks like maybe like a yin-yang pattern, or maybe more like a natural pattern, like on one of those exotic cats, maybe. But this is kind of like the alphabet and number thing I was doing a little bit earlier, to where I just kind of want to get a feel of, like, okay, are there any major inconsistencies between the right and the left hand when doing kind of the same thing? And here there aren't really any major differences, but in the future I might end up coming up with a more complicated test to try to figure out if that's still true or how similar they are. But no real need to do that right now. And one thing on my list of things I want to draw in the future is something having to do with maybe cheetahs or tigers. The fur patterns with those, the spots and the stripes are, I'm pretty sure they're random. I don't think a normal tiger has like even stripes on it. The same with a cheetah. I don't think they've got like polka dot spots spaced out evenly. So maybe some kind of variation of this random scribbling would be appropriate for that. But it would end up needing one or two additional elements of detail to give the illusion of furriness instead of a flat surface. And that's it for drawing practice 13. Wow, 3 minutes long. I need to take a break and put my feet up.